Okay, so this is problem 18 from GATE Physics 2025, and what we are asked that which of the following baryons has strangeness quantum number is equal to -1. Okay, now we know that the strangeness quantum number, it actually is associated with the presence of the strange quarks, right? So the strangeness quantum number is associated with the presence of strange quarks. Okay, with the presence of strange quarks, right? Now each strange quark contributes the quantum number to be +1. So each strange quark contributes S is equals to -1. Sorry, S is equals to -1. S is the strangeness quantum number, right? And each anti-strange quark, it contributes S equal to +1. Fine. So therefore, if I have a baryon without any strange quark, then we have S equal to 0. So baryons without any strange quark has S equal to 0. So this is number 1 to observe baryons with one strange quark has S equal to -1. And number 3, baryons with two strange quarks has S is equals to -2. Fine. So this can be easily observed from whatever we wrote, that the strangeness quantum number is valued using the content of the strange quark. So if I have one strange quark, then that will contribute to the quantum number being -1, and anti-strange quarks will contribute a +1. So if I have a baryon without any strange quark, our strangeness quantum number will be 0. If it has one strange quark, it will be -1, and if it has two strange quarks, then it will be -2. Now if I carefully analyze the options, so if I analyze the first option, then I have, okay, so the first option is the baryon, right? It's the UDS baryon, right? What do you mean by UDS? So basically, what do we mean by UDS? So let me just write it. So basically it actually gives you that what is the spin in some sense. Okay, so, or rather I would rather mention it to be the quark content. That will be better. Quark content. Okay, so basically U means up quark, okay, D means down quark, and S means strange quark. Fine. Okay, the up quark has a charge of +2/3 and it has strangeness 0. The down quark has charge -1/3, it has strangeness 0, and the strange quark, it has charge -1/3 as well, and its strangeness number is -1. Fine. So UDS has the quark content up plus down plus strange, which we can easily observe out from here. Okay, so basically this actually helps us understand that what is the, so whenever we are writing this, it actually helps us understand what is the strangest quantum number related to this baryon. Getting my point? So if I talk about the first example, which is sigma 0, so it is a UDS quark content baryon, right? So since it's UDS, so it has one up quark, one down quark, one strange quark. So the strange quark will give you a strangeness of -1. So in the first option we have strangeness equal to -1. If I talk about the second example, then that is basically the neutron. Okay, and its quark content is UDD, up plus down UDD, right? So its strangeness should be 0, right? Finally, number C, if I say, then its quark content, so what was C? Yeah, so its quark content is USS, right? So it's up plus strange plus strange. So its strangeness quantum number must be -2 because you have two strange quarks, right? And finally, number D, it's a UDD quantum number. I mean a UDD quark content. So here you should have strangeness to be 0. So your answer should be A. Okay. Answer should be A. Fine.